Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm off to a really exciting appointment today. I'm actually getting my eyebrows re-tattooed. So if you guys have followed me for a while, you would know I went to Sibina around 2.5 years ago. So it's been 2 years since my last touch-up, and I have absolutely nothing in my brows at the moment. I got them freshly threaded yesterday, so there's no product in them. You can kind of still see the tattoo strokes from like 2 years ago, but I just feel like the ends and on my arches have kind of faded, and I just want them just looking a little bit more bolder and a little bit thicker here, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'll bring the vlog camera along so I can vlog. I'm not sure how much I'll vlog of the actual appointment, but I will be sure to vlog as much as I can. But yeah, I just thought for you guys thinking of getting brow tattoos, this would be a, I don't know, informative video for you guys to watch. I would 100% recommend them. They've literally changed my life and my makeup game. Like, I literally hardly touch my brows anymore, and I haven't since I got them done. Like, when I put a full face of makeup on, I do like really lightly fill them in, but I don't have to do much because like the shape's already there, and I just have to go over the like shape that she made for me. So yeah, I will see you guys when I'm in the clinic. Oh my god, this was me 2 years ago. Yes. How good is she? So I've just finished my eyebrow tattooing, and I've put a really thin layer of the bepanthen that she gave me for aftercare. So apparently I have to wear that for a week and keep them out of water for a week as well. Then they'll start scabbing, and it's like really gross, but that's just part of the healing process, and then they should get lighter. So tomorrow they're gonna be way darker, but I'll update you guys on everything. But I'm so happy with them. She's literally a brow queen. Like, I'm obsessed. So yeah, I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's now day 2 post brow tattoos. I have no makeup on. Oh, so this is what my brows are looking like now. Definitely a lot darker, but that is normal. I just put a really light layer of bepanthen on, and I'm supposed to do that once a day, I think, until they start scabbing. But yeah, so far so good. I just look a little bit weird with bold brows and no makeup, but that's alright. So I will check in with you guys. If they're the same tomorrow, I probably won't vlog tomorrow, but when they start scabbing, I'll definitely keep you guys updated with that and what that looks like as well. So I will see you guys when I see you guys next. Hey guys, so it is now, oh, don't worry about my shiny head. It is now Monday. So it has been 5 days since my brows. Hold on, let me just focus it. I got them wet for the first time today underneath the shower. I'm still putting a light layer of the Panthem on because she said a week. They're starting to scab here, you can kind of see, but apparently you're not supposed to like peek the scabs because it kind of like is bad for the healing process. So I'm just kind of leaving them as they are to scab, but so far so good. But yeah, so far so good. So if you guys have any questions regarding the brows, leave them listed down below and I'll be sure to answer them for you guys. I don't really know if I'm going to do any more updates, so I might end this vlog here. But I'm sure you'll see heaps of photos on my Instagram, but I could not recommend Sibina enough. She's amazing. She's like the go-to brow tattooist here on the Gold Coast. Like, people travel from like Sydney, Melbourne, everywhere in Australia to see her because she's that good. So I'll make sure to leave all of her social media and her website listed down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.